The hard work of Indian Ayurveda for the prevention of COVID to the nations of the world, the immunity booster developed by the Parabrahma Ayurveda Research Center in Bangalore, is now making its way across the nation. Indian Ayurvedic preventive medicine has reached all over Kuwait, Bahrain, Australia, and African countries. The research center in Bangalore claims that this Ayurvedic food supplement has already been given to over 1,000 COVID sufferers in India and has got successful results. But the research center said it was working to answer the question of why the World Health Organization did not consider as a medicine to prevent COVID. Countries that have benefited more than we from this food supplement than us should try to get approval for this medicine. Thousands of people, including a former member of parliament from India, said the Ayurvedic immunity booster had given them a better experience. As well as the research center got a negative result on the COVID patients after treating the COVID medicines more than 2,000 people. But the respective countries to officially confirm all this truth and the immunity booster give the people. According to the Indian Clinical Test Department, it's acted as an Ayurvedic food supplement. There is no need for a clinical test and people can use it. Dr. Mohammed, a clinical pharmacist from Sudan working with the Indian Ayurvedic medicine Parabrahma food supplement, says about this.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mohammed Adam here. I'm from Sudan and I'm a clinical pharmacist. I have a Doctor of Pharmacy degree and I am a member of the Clinical Pharmacists of Sudan. Everybody knows this, recently the pandemic, which is the coronavirus, has invaded the entire universe, and we all know that there is no cure for it so far. I have studied here in India and I have a lot of friends, doctors and pharmacists, and recently they have suggested me one of the medicines which can cure coronavirus. It was developed by Ayurvedic company. The name of the company which developed it is Parabrahma Ayurveda, and the medicine is Parabrahma Immunity Booster. Here you can see it as in the bottle. This medicine is being tried in more than 10,000 people and it has cured them. If you are coronavirus positive and you use the medicines for 3 days, definitely the result is going to be negative. I myself has tried the same, not because I was having it, but it boosts the immunity of your system and you're not going to get coronavirus. And it's been tried and it's known. So
Parabrahma Ayurveda food supplement has already exported more than 12 countries from the center in Bangalore. The whole country is studying the possibilities of the immunity booster and its effects. The Indian Parabrahma Ayurveda immunity booster provides greater hope to the world. As well as the whole nation of the world should be ready to be distributed to the people after examining the medicines. The experienced people say that after eating the medicines, the human body should resist the COVID virus. According to journalist K.V. Paramesh, Samyukta Karnataka Press Editor, Karnataka, COVID-19 was affected by Paramesh after interviewing former Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. COVID confirmed to Siddaramaiah the next day after the interview. And then Paramesh also affected COVID-19. Then the immunity booster of Parabrahma given by Dr. Satish Babu got the very good results after 8 medicine within 3 days. After the COVID test, my result was negative. Not only my illness go away, but also I got a good relaxation after using Parabrahma immunity booster. I have no hesitation in saying this anywhere. Why India and other countries do not consider this immunity booster as seriously? As a journalist, I want to say all countries should try this immunity booster and make it available to the people. It has no side effects.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಕೆ.ವಿ. ಪರಮೇಶ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಪತ್ರಕರ್ತ, ಜರ್ನಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಈಗೇನು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ಬರ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾ ನನಗೂ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ನಾನು ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಈ ಕೊರೋನಾಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಗೆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ವಿಟಮಿನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟು ಅಥವಾ ಅರಿಶಿಣದ ಹಾಲು, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಈ ಥರದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾನು ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ವೈದ್ಯ ಮಿತ್ರ ಒಬ್ಬ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸತೀಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಅಂತ, ಅವರು ರೆಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೊಂದಿದೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರೇ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀಕುಟ್ಟನವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್ನ ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ತರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆರಂಭ ಮಾಡಿದ 3-4 ದಿನದಲ್ಲೇ ನನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಚೈತನ್ಯ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ 5ನೇ ದಿವಸ ನಾನು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ನಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ನನಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಇಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಬೂಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆ, ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿಯೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಗ ನಿರೋಧಕ ಶಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದರಿಂದ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯನ ಕಾಪಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಇದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾನು ಮನವಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅದು ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂತಹದ್ದೊಂದು ಆಯುರ್ವೇದಿಕ್ ಔಷಧಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಮಂದಿ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಅನುಮತಿ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶನ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಅನಿಸಿಕೆ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Is Parabrahma's medicine useful for COVID? People say their experiences. The scientific world has to accept it. Allopathy is interruption for this. They are mandatory that there is no other treatment in the world other than theirs. But even in times of these big epidemics, even if there is a small chance of humans to escape, no one should spoil it. For more information, given here the Parabrahma Ayurvedic Research Center's phone number and address. News Desk, Karma News.